Hey everyone, today we're breaking down a popular legal question, LegalZoom versus hiring a lawyer, which is the better option in 2025. Whether you're starting a business, writing a will, or handling legal documents, understanding the pros and cons of each option can save you time, stress, and money. Let's go step by step. First, what are these options? LegalZoom. LegalZoom is an online legal service that provides affordable templates and guided tools for things like business formation, estate planning, trademarks, and more. It's a DIY solution with optional attorney support. Hiring a lawyer. Hiring a lawyer gives you direct access to a licensed legal professional who can provide personalized advice, draft custom legal documents, represent you in court, and help with complex issues. Second, pros and cons. LegalZoom pros. More affordable than traditional lawyers. Quick turnaround for standard legal documents. Easy to use with step-by-step guidance, 24/7 access, and flat rate pricing. Great for simple needs like LLC setup or basic wills. LegalZoom cons, limited customization or strategy, not ideal for complex legal cases. Customer support can be less responsive. Optional attorney help comes at an extra cost, not a substitute for legal representation in court. Hiring a lawyer pros, personalized legal advice and risk assessment. Ideal for complex legal issues or negotiations, able to represent you in court or mediation, deep knowledge of local state-specific laws, long-term relationship with legal counsel possible. Hiring a lawyer. Cons. More expensive, often billed hourly. Slower turnaround time for basic forms, may be overkill for simple tasks, can be harder to access on short notice. Final verdict. Which one should you use? Use LegalZoom if you're handling basic legal tasks like forming an LLC, creating a simple will, or registering a trademark, especially if you're on a budget and want speed. Use a lawyer if your situation is complex, high risk, or involves court, like negotiating contracts, handling litigation, or creating a comprehensive estate plan. If this guide helped you make a decision, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.